I want to give it a we see Bitcoin dumped heavily, right? And this was expected because I told you as soon as we are breaking back in our descending broadening wedge here, I told you we will see a big dump, right? Will we reach right now our price target of 11,200, or is this right now like some people calling a V-shaped recovery to the upside, and we will see bounce to 20k back? This is what we will speak about today, bratans. So stay here with me. Watch until the end this video because this is very important video. Let us watch right now quickly on the 1 hourly, because on the 1 hourly I explained to you clearly, if we break orange line we will reach this white line, if we break white line we will reach this red line, and if we break this red line, this is another huge short opportunity. So if you took here this short from this red line down, then you are right now around 13% profit. Take profits from your short, bratans, because right now, in my opinion, this is very obvious. So one thing, first thing, if we're breaking 16,766, or let us say if we're breaking 16,800 with a clear 15-minute candle, this is, in my opinion, a very clear long opportunity. So and stay here with me, I will also go on the bigger perspective right now for my day traders. If we're breaking 16,800 with a clear 15-minute candle, we can start to long. First price tag would be here 17,500, 10x average 4%, 10x average 40%, 20x average over 80%. The second price target would be here our red line, which perfectly matched. You see here a lot of support. This would turn to support, and you see here this red line also, which is based on the past a huge resistance line. It was a support line, now turned to resistance line. So the second price target is around 18,150. This is the long opportunity of 8%, 10x average 80%, 20x average over 160%. Short, where is the short opportunity? The short opportunity is very clear. If we are breaking here this level of 15,000, let's say that it's easier, let's say 15,800 with a clear 15-minute candle, right? Then we can start to short Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, all the altcoins. So it's very clear. If we break this level of 15,800, we can start again to short. A big support level, a big psychology level is 15k. This would be the first price target, so 5%, 50%, 20% average 100%. The next one would be around 15,500 based on the past. I cannot show you right now because I have to zoom out on the 1 hourly. It's too much. I cannot show you, but trust me, 14,000. Do your own research, not trust me. Do your own research. 14,500, 8.2%, 10x average 82%, 20x average over 160% short opportunity. Right? This is our price target. In case we are breaking 15,800, we can short Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, all the altcoins. And the price target, it's still right now in the big picture, and now this is very important, in the big picture, as long as we're not breaking again above 17,800, or let's say 18k, clearly about 18k, then the price target, in my opinion, it's still 11,000 around, wait a minute, I can say exactly 11,200. It's still 11,200 is the price target, unless we are breaking back above this white line, above 18k approximately. Then the danger is over. But right now still it looks like, or it could be, that we see here a bounce on this white line, and if we not breaking through, then I'm expecting a bounce back to 11k. This is very important. This is what I'm watching. If we break through this white line, then it's very clear the danger is over. But right now the danger is not over, bratan. So right now still, as long as we are in this descending broadening wedge, I'm expecting that we will see a touch on the 11,200. And if we see a touch on Bitcoin 11,200, then I'm expecting also Ethereum in the big picture very clear to go to here our support line at around $550, right? You see here at $550. So in case Bitcoin going to 11,200, I'm expecting also Ethereum going to $550. So this is in the big picture. Again, for us day traders, it's very clear what we are doing. In my opinion, do your own research, it's not a financial advice. In my opinion, again, if we are breaking, because we can make even on this bounce still profits, right? So if we're breaking 16,800, we can long Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, all the altcoins, price tag I told you. If we are breaking 15,800 to downside, we can short Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, all the altcoins. Where we are doing it, bratan, don't forget, on BitGet, you get at the moment $8,000 for free after initial deposit, and 50 USDT you get immediately free after your first trade. very important. On Bybit, they both safe exchange in my opinion. However, do your own research. This is where we are trading, or I'm also trading. Bybit, you get $30,030 for free, but you have to match several requirements. Watch the requirements through the link after initial deposit. Both links are down below. And if you didn't match any requirements, you still get free access to my Discord and Telegram channel. So make sure you get this bonus, or at least a free access to my Discord and Telegram channel, as long as absolutely for free. Take the chance. You don't want to miss out on this. So very clear. Bitcoin, it's very clear. Ethereum right now. If Bitcoin breaks to the upside, we can long also Ethereum. First price tag 1,300. 9% long opportunity, 10x average 90%, 20x average 180%. If Bitcoin breaking to the downside, we can immediately start shorting also Ethereum, because Ethereum just following Bitcoin. First price tag 1,100, this is not a nice number, 1,100. If Bitcoin breaking to the downside, we can short to 1,100, 6.8% short opportunity, 10x average 68%, 20x average over 130% short opportunity if Bitcoin is dumping. Ethereum, you can also short along on Bitcoin, Bitget and Bybit. And very important, also on both exchanges, you can buy it just on spot. This is what I'm doing, because it's very, very cheap. And don't forget, we are day traders, but also don't forget to accumulate on dollar cost average. This is what I'm doing, not financial advice, because beside this that we are trading, I also buying the whole time. Because just imagine, you can buy right now $1,200 Ethereum. In the next bull run, I'm expecting Ethereum at least at 15K. Bitcoin, I expecting at least at 190,000. Imagine you can buy right now Bitcoin at 16 or 17K. This is historically low. I mean, I wouldn't throw all my money inside. I just buying a little bit beside my trade. Trade, you should only with less than 1% of your whole of your whole wealth, right? This is what my opinion is. So if you have 10,000 euro, then I would trade only with how much is it, Bled? With 100 euro. You understand? Less than 1%. This is what we are trying to outperform the market, but all your big wealth, you should dollar cost average. This is my opinion, not a financial advice. And you can also buy through Bitget and Bybit, right? So this is very, very clear, bratans. And right now, let us watch very important S&P fund FTT. We don't have to speak about. I wouldn't short or long it right now, because it's going to shit like Luna. It's the same. It doesn't matter right now. Let us watch S&P 500. We closed at 3,748 right now. We see in the futures 3,758 already. So it's pumping. And on the big picture, if we are watching right now S&P 500, the daily we are neutral right now. 4 hourly is slightly oversold, but neutral. 1 hourly oversold, and 15-minute heavily oversold. So we could see here, when the stock market open, a pump in the market, right? We could see a pump in the market, and if we see the S&P fund pump in the market, it's the leading indicator for Bitcoin. Then we see also pump in Bitcoin. If Bitcoin pumping, altcoins pumping, right? If S&P 500 dumping, Bitcoin dumping, altcoins dumping. So watch out for the S&P 500. Right now, as I see, 1 hourly is heavily is oversold, 50 minutes heavily oversold. I'm expecting that we will see some consolidation or a pump, which means when the stock market 9:30 New York Times open, we will see pump in the crypto market. So watch out for this. This could be a long opportunity also for Bitcoin if S&P 500 pumping. Watch out for this. Very, very clear in my opinion right now. Bitcoin is overbought. But we could see a little bit more hours of consolidation of stock market open with a pump. Bitcoin could also pump to our price targets of 17,300 and so on, which I told you before, right? So very clear in my opinion, Bratan. Please write me down below. What do you think? In my opinion, it's great. If Bitcoin is dumping, it's great. Why? We can buy very, very cheap. You have to think long term, you know. Yes, we are trying to outperform the market, but think long term. In 2-3 years, it's 17K. You never will find. You will cry. You will say, oh, I should have buy 2-3 years before when it was at 17K. Right now it's very cheap, also Ethereum. So in my opinion, I'm buying all the time. I bought at $1,300 Ethereum. I bought Bitcoin at 20K, and I'm buying the whole time. The more we are going down, the more I'm buying beside the trading. So don't forget it. You can buy on spot on Bitget and Bybit. Link down below. You get this bonus, or even without the bonus, you get free access to my Discord Telegram channel. And if you want to trade, you can also do it on Bitget and Bybit. So don't miss out on this. If you have any questions, write them down below on Telegram group. Thank you everyone for watching, and kiss you, and I'll see you later. Mwah.